So hi everyone, welcome to VIH Group Daily Job Sharing Series. So basically, what does we do? We say job needs for the freshers, for the experience, for the people those who are into cybersecurity, and probably if you are looking for internship. So before starting, there is a disclaimer: whatever job needs you are going to apply, just make sure and check from your side because I don't want you to be a part of any scam, and there's a lot of scam is going around. So check from your side at first, and jobs you can apply. Okay, there's a lot of job. Whatever questions, whatever things you're getting, just comment down so that I can answer and I can help you out with all those things. So now let's get started with the first job. So this is the first job that we have, which is someone is hiring for the VAPT professional in ARM Innovation Private Limited. It's in Noida and they want 1 year's of experience. And if you're freshers, you can already do, but you can join this job. But fresher doesn't mean you should not have knowledge, right? Fresher is all about you have knowledge, but you don't know how to use the experience in organizations, right? So this is a mail ID, which is a Gmail. So I recommend you to highly check from your side. I don't want you to be a part of a scam. So just authenticate from your side. This is the next opening, which is in persistence. As far I know, persistence is a very good company. A lot of people those I have associated with their working in persistence, right? It's Pune based job, 5 to 8 years experience required. Pen testing, buff suit, OAS, remedies, all those skills is required. This is mail ID, Vaishnavi dot Bulbude persistence.com. Right. Now the next opening is basically for the cybersecurity instructor. It's in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, full time permanent on site, and opening is three. So join immediately. If you're looking for, they are looking for the candidate, those who should have knowledge about monitoring and other things. Those who have knowledge about VAPT, bug bounty, live project assessment, and all those. Right. So it's not so typical, but if you have knowledge, you can, and they want you to be hired very uh, as soon as possible. This is a mail ID on which you can drop the resume, and make sure you are from Gujarat because they want people those who are from Gujarat. They will get more preference. But if you're not from Gujarat, not an issue. You can still apply, right? And probably you'll get selected. Next opening is basically in Cyber Aries. They are hiring GRC analyst and HR intern. HR is basically one tech we are not going to cover. This is GRC they are hiring. ISO's knowledge also, those knowledge is required. You can scan this QR code, okay, and you can apply for the job. I just make it June for you, right? So this is how you can do. Now the next opening is basically for the VAPT persons in web mobile API vendor testing in Mumbai. So they should have good understanding of WASP top 10, hands-on experience on white box, black box testing, and common vulnerability like SQL, XSS, and all the skills required. Buffs to WASP job knowledge is important. Lavanya.k@ indusface.com in the mail on which you can drop your resume. Next is Aratai. Oh, Aratai is hiring cybersecurity engineers. Aratai, so they are hiring. They want a black box pen tester. So vast obtain all the knowledge you required. Meanwhile, if you're looking for internship, vih.com/tca, you can check for web application pen testing, and this is for SOC internship, right? And guys, lavanya.k@ indusface.com. So this is not for Aratai, not from Aratai email. So you can check out what exactly they have, and accordingly you can apply. Next is someone is hiring for SOC in Dubai. Okay, so they are going to give you 30,000, 40,000 Dubai money, right? Whatever currency they have. So this is a good salary. Lithium HR is hiring. They want a SOC person L1 to L3, 7 to 10 years. Oh, this is for the good skills people. LightimHR.com is the mail. I guess they are the person who are providing manpower to the companies, right? So you can do, it's Dubai based job and cybersecurity operation manager. You can write in the subject line. Next opening is basically senior cybersecurity threat intelligence analyst and cybersecurity intelligence manager. This is mail ID you can where you can drop your resume. It's for Maybank. ITsec_CIC@maybank.com. Now next is hiring for IT director, head of technologies. Okay, so 35,000 to 50,000 they are going to pay you. You should have 12 plus years of experience in required. So this is for experienced people, right? So and this is like recruitments at the business dash umbrella.com is the mail on which you can drop people, right? Next is SOC Analyst hybrid. Hyderabad, sorry, it's not hybrid. 2 to 4 years of experience required, IDS, IPS, endpoint security, all those knowledge is important. And this is Tharastika@deepfingers.com with the mail on which you can drop it in, right? That's what we have today. So this is what you can see vihgroup.com/TCI for if you're looking for web application pen testing internship, and vihgroup.com/SOC if you want to apply for SOC internship. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.